So when I was a teacher at the GTI, my principal said, you know, Jen, I'm not going to be around for very long. So he's like, if you should really think about being an administrator. And I thought, why in the world would I want to do that? Because I loved teaching and I loved my classroom. I loved my kids. I loved my content. I loved everything about it. But you know, when he said that, I was like, you know what, maybe I'll just do the classes just to see if I want to be an administrator. And so I took the classes and I put in for an internship in our district, and I thought, well, we'll just see how it goes. And I cried when I left my classroom, but then the minute that I got into when I was an intern at Brockbank Junior High, when I was in the hallways and when I learned the job, I loved it every day. And so I loved my classroom, but I also loved what I got to do as an administrator and the impact that I felt like I had as an administrator. No matter what, you have to be a hard worker, right? You've got to be empathetic, but you also have to be very patient. And you have to realize that some things just take time. You're not going to get like that instant result that a lot of times you just like think that you're going to have, and a lot of times that we're used to with social media and we're used to with the internet, that we just want to have something be instant and we want to be able to see that impact right away. That you just have to realize like you've got to put the time and the effort and the energy into whatever it is that long-term goal that you have is, and put forth that effort, and you'll be able to see the impact that you'll have as you go on. I would tell everybody, do it. It is the most rewarding. It's the hardest job, but it's one of the most rewarding jobs that you can ever. And if you're a teacher and you're thinking about becoming an administrator, I would say the same thing. Do it, because if you know how to make an impact on your classroom, the impact that you can have on an entire school, you just get to do that, you know? So the work that you do and how that can impact the future and how that can impact our students, do it. Every time, just do it.